Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the Money Mentor, where we make personal finance easy and fun. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to get their financial life in order: budgeting for beginners. Budgeting for beginners. Easy steps to take control of your finances. Budgeting might sound like a boring or overwhelming task, but I promise you, it's one of the most empowering things you can do for your financial health. Whether you're saving for a big goal, trying to pay off debt, or just want to stop living paycheck to paycheck, a solid budget can be your best friend. Let's break it down into simple steps to get you started on the right foot. Step 1. Know your income. First up, you need to know how much money you're working with. This includes your salary, any side hustles, or other sources of income. Write it all down or use a budgeting app to track it. Make sure to account for after-tax income, which is what you actually take home. Step 2. List your expenses. Next, let's talk about expenses. You'll want to jot down everything you spend money on. Start with fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, and subscriptions. Then, list variable expenses such as groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Don't forget to include occasional expenses like car maintenance or gifts, which might not happen every month but are still important to plan for. Step 3. Categorize and analyze. Once you've got your list, categorize your expenses into needs and wants. Needs are essentials like housing, food, and transportation. Wants are non-essentials like streaming services, dining out, and shopping. Analyzing these categories helps you see where your money is going and identify areas where you might be able to cut back. Step 4. Set financial goals. With your income and expenses in mind, it's time to set some financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, clear goals give you something to work towards and keep you motivated. Step 5. Create your budget. Now for the fun part, creating your budget. There are several ways to do this, but the basic idea is to allocate your income to cover your expenses and save for your goals. You can use a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even good old-fashioned pen and paper. Just make sure to track your spending and adjust as needed. Step 6. Monitor and adjust. Finally, it's important to regularly monitor your budget. Check in weekly or monthly to see how you're doing and make adjustments if necessary. Life happens and sometimes you might need to tweak your budget. That's totally okay. What matters is staying on track and making progress towards your goals. If you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.